If you're experiencing pending transfers on PayPal, it's important to understand the reasons behind them and how to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to help you clear up any pending transactions. Step 1. Check transfer status. Log into your PayPal account and navigate to the Activity section. Look for the pending transfer and check its status. This will give you insight into whether the transfer is still processing or if there are any issues. Step 2. Review transaction details. Click on the pending transaction to view its details. Pay attention to any messages or alerts that may indicate why the transfer is pending, such as verification requirements or issues with the recipient's account. Step 3. Contact the recipient. If the transfer is pending due to the recipient's account issues, reach out to them. They may need to verify their account or take action on their end to accept the payment, which can help expedite the process. Step 4. Wait for processing time. Some transfers may take longer than others due to processing times set by PayPal or the recipient's bank. If the transaction is within the expected time frame, it may be best to wait a little longer before taking further action. Step 5. Contact PayPal support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you should be able to address any pending transfers on your PayPal account effectively. If you have further questions, don't hesitate to seek additional help from PayPal's resources.